Mary. I'm a Holy Cross seminarian doing my pastoral year here in Holy Cross Parish, Dandora. I'm a Holy Cross, and we are so blessed to have this maternity here. It's a gift from God. It's a gift from people who have had a big heart for God, from people who have sacrificed in the name of love to make sure that lives are saved, to make sure that mothers have safe birth, and that saves lots of innocent babies who are being born. It's a very big gift for the church as a whole and for Holy Cross Parish, Dandora. This maternity here is a great success story. The story of how it rose and came about, it's a very humbling story. And many lives are going to be saved by this. Pope Francis talks of the new evangelization today, and the church may not have to go out on the streets and preach. But when we have facilities like this, where Christians, Muslims, and non-Christians come and access this facility, it's a way of evangelizing to the people. That is the church. We are receptive of all. Many lives are going to be saved. Africa always has issues to do with health, basic health services that are really not so much developed in most of the African nations. And it's something that many African governments need to give priority. And when we have, as a church, we start in a small way like this, with such a facility, even if it's like a drop in the ocean, but it's making a difference in people's lives. Very many mothers die while giving birth, or lose their babies while giving birth because of the health facilities that are really not well equipped. But part of this is one of the strides that Africa is making gains in through generous contributions of the church and donors and benefactors, especially in regards to Holy Cross as a parish. So this is really something that is going to really save a lot of lives. Very many people will come to access this facility. Never ever before have we seen this in this community of Dandora, and it's really a very big blessing, not only for the Catholics, not only for the parish of Dandora, but for everyone. And that is the holistic approach the Catholic Church has. And I'm really proud of this. I'm really humbled and really appreciative of our benefactors and Holy Cross as a whole, and the team of men and women from St. Monica, and all those people of goodwill who have ensured that we have this facility. And definitely this is God's work. It's divine providence. It's God that's really making us have a future, making us have a vision for people, for things that matter most, for making a difference. And that's what God expects of us. I'm very humble and I'm very happy, and I can't hide my praise and admiration to the benefactors, the Tobit family, St. Monica, and all those people who have ensured that this has been a success. My love for all of you, the love for Holy Cross Dandora Parish for all of you, and we shall continue praying for you. The best thing we can ever give back to you is to pray for you people, to love you people, and God should continue blessing you. God should continue guiding you, protecting you, and making you reach your goals. I really thank you so much.